My name is Tony Schwab. I actually work for Construction Resources Management, but I touch just about every company. I'm the Manufacturing Maintenance Manager, and I've been with the company since December of 2018. What really brought me to the Walbec, at the end of the day is that plant. My prior life, I was the vice president at Dillman, and while there, we produced that plant and we set it up and commissioned it for Walbec. So in that time frame of doing that and getting to know people here and wanting to kind of take my career to the next level, the conversation started, and here I am. I wish I could tell you there was a typical day, but there's really not. We get up and get started knowing that there's always stuff you have to work on, but waiting for the phone to call to figure out what's coming next on the pipe. If somebody's broke down, how do we fix it? How do we react fast? And how do we keep everything running as much as possible?